dispersed.
So Tuscany is 4 million?
Tuscany is about 4 million plants. Okay. Well, no, in this case, no. A major product of the family is extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, and well, you can see there's 3 donkeys there, which are mascots. You can see them. Here in the 1840s. The context in which we give our cooking classes. Where are we here? See, we are in a former farmer's house, a sharecropper's house this way. And we will never change from this. They tried, but we don't get contaminated somehow. There is not one main course in Italy. A lot of regional traditions into one national. That is not necessary for a very important reason. Chopping the veggies this way. We say that we don't whackle the mezzaluna, and you decided to move the chopping board. Usually. Couple of drizzles. Let's ask more. Okay. So a little twig of rosemary, sage, and garlic. Now, please enjoy with mezzaluna, making your second battuto. I always advise people, find them at a regular price of €15, one month. Bravissimi, very good.
Oh, you got a dollar right there.
Grab, I like me to grab all these veggies.
All your tension is right in there.
Very well done. Both of them result from the first squeezing. That's why virgin or extra virgin. Okay. And first squeezing of fresh virgin fruits from the tree. You pick them here. No hands at this point because it's only going to stick onto your fingers, okay? You go off it. No, very well done. It's all a block moving all together. So at this point you can start kneading it. Stretch and fold, yeah. Stretch and fold, stretch, yeah, good. If you feel that it's still very sticky, in doing this, it needs a further dusting of flour. It's slightly sticky, but now as we stretch it on a marble surface like this, there will be some more flour to get.